Most people get this wrong. They think renting an RV is complicated, expensive, or risky. But the surprising truth is that RV Share makes it easy, affordable, and safe. Today, I'll share my personal experience using the platform. RV Share is a peer-to-peer RV rental service similar to Airbnb, but for recreational vehicles. You can choose from hundreds of options: travel trailers, motorhomes, and camper vans, all listed by individual owners. Prices vary depending on type, location, and season, so you can find something that fits your budget. Booking is simple. You search by location, dates, and RV type. Once you find a match, you can message the owner, read reviews, and confirm availability. Payment is secure, and RV Share offers insurance options to protect both renters and owners. You won't believe what happens next. Many owners provide detailed instructions, cleaning services, and even extras like kitchenware or camping gear, making your trip much easier. Pros include flexibility, a wide variety of vehicles, and the ability to explore destinations at your own pace. The surprising truth is that you can often save money compared to traditional RV rental companies, especially if you book early or choose smaller vehicles. Cons include variability in quality, since each RV is privately owned, and potential pickup or drop-off coordination issues. Reading reviews and communicating clearly with the owner can mitigate most problems. In conclusion, RV Share is a convenient and cost-effective way to rent an RV for road trips or vacations. With the right preparation, it can offer freedom, flexibility, and a unique travel experience. Subscribe for more honest travel and rental platform reviews to plan your next adventure wisely.